Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next stretch is the seated hamstring stretch. So from a seated position, you're going to separate your feet into a V position, bring one leg in, and lean towards your knee or shin, or if you can reach that foot, go right ahead. Breathe through this stretch and hold for 15 to 30 seconds before you switch to the other side. Stretching your hamstring muscles is so important in preventing low back issues and low back pain. We all sit so much, and this is a great exercise, the seated hamstring stretch. Thanks, Dee. And this next stretch is called the seated butterfly stretch. You're going to take both feet and bring them in close to your groin, and then use your elbows to gently push your knees down to the ground or towards the ground. You should feel a great stretch in your hip joints and your groin muscles. This is a great stretch to improve mobility of your hip joint and reduce pain and discomfort around the hips and the back. Good job, Dee. This next stretch is called the figure 4 stretch. It's great for the piriformis muscles and the glute muscles and tightness around your hip joint. Laying on your back, you're going to cross one leg over the other knee, and then you're going to lift that other leg off the ground. You can modify this stretch from moving your hands behind the back of the leg to the front of the shin bone. You might feel a deeper stretch with this. Keep breathing through this activity. This is a great stretch for those piriformis and glute muscles. Good job, Dee. This next set of stretches is called the torso twist in a seated position. You're going to cross one leg over the other, and you're going to use your hand and your elbow to push on that leg as you twist your spine to the opposite direction. You should feel a nice stretch along the muscles of your leg as well as your low back and thoracic spine. Keep breathing through this exercise and make sure to do the other side as well. Thanks, Steve. This stretch is also the torso twist, but this time it's in the laying down or prone position. You're going to again cross one leg across your other leg, and you're going to assist the movement of your spine and your pelvis as you bring that knee towards the ground. The arm can lay to the side. Keep breathing through this exercise. It's a great stretch for the muscles of your leg as well as the muscles around your spine. Good job, Dee.
Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online, or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.